ASUS ROG Strix G15 Gaming Laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. As an owner of the previous generation Strix, I really liked how they upped the quality of the build on this laptop. I feel like it's definitely built to last, feels super sturdy while still maintaining surprisingly good weight in a compactish size. The battery life is not outstanding, but for gaming laptops, this doesn't typically matter anyway. The screen is fantastic and beautiful, with great color contrasts, and in my opinion, the brightness is definitely sufficient. The thermals are good, but it can still get pretty hot, up to 85 degrees Celsius I've seen, playing Ark Survival Evolved on max settings with turbofan setting. The fans can be very loud, but they're also easily toggleable in case the noise is too much. Still can run solid on lower fan settings, it just gets a bit warmer. The ROG Strix G15 laptop from ASUS features the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor and comes equipped with a desktop-class NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 GPU. The display on the laptop offers a 240Hz refresh rate, there's a great stereo speaker system, and it also has efficient cooling. Pros: 15.6-inch FHD 240Hz display. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 8GB graphics. 1TB SSD storage. Decent battery. Sturdy build quality and nice design particularities. Good inputs. Excellent performance in CPU and CPU plus GPU loads, versatile power/fan profiles. Multiple configurations and easily upgradable. Comfortable exterior thermals on all profiles. Alright speakers for a gaming laptop. Cons: expensive. Weight. Loud fans when gaming. Performance. This gaming laptop is powered by the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7-10750H chipset, which is coupled with 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Instead of the older GeForce GTX graphics, the G15 comes with a new RTX 2070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 video memory. That's plenty enough to run any game or software you throw at it. It also gets a 240Hz refresh rate on the 15.6-inch Full HD display, which is great for gaming. Design. The ROG Strix 15 has a great electropunk design with pink and RGB lighting. Although it has a considerably slim body, the weight is still there. ASUS has packed a lot of high-end hardware in the chassis, including the latest Wi-Fi 6 wireless chipset from Intel. The laptop has its power and Ethernet ports at the back, which allows for easy access. It has dual fans and an intelligent cooling system that keeps temperatures low. Value. This laptop is a good value for money when compared to other high-end gaming laptops. It has a newer GeForce RTX graphics card, the latest 10th generation Intel Core processor, plenty of storage with space for more SSDs, and a great display. The 15.6-inch Full HD panel is a delight for gaming and for professional or creative work. You can also plug in a 4K monitor via the HDMI 2.0B port. However, if this is all too much, then you should check out the Acer Aspire 5 Slim Windows laptop. ASUS ROG Strix G15 wrap-up. The ASUS ROG Strix G15 is an excellent gaming laptop that offers the latest hardware for a great price. The 15.6-inch FHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate works great, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 can run any game with high frames. It also has plenty of storage for all your data, and although it is heavy and the fans can get loud, the G15 is a great buy. I have had this laptop for about 3 weeks now, and every single game I download and run at max settings has performed just fine, with absolutely amazing graphics, especially for the price. I'm thoroughly happy with my purchase. I bought this laptop for multiple uses, but one of my concerns was whether or not it would work for VR. It does say VR ready, but at first glance, it doesn't appear to have the appropriate DisplayPort connection to connect a VR device. In the ads for the laptop, it says USB-C with DisplayPort 1.4 technology, so basically I found out that I needed a cheap USB-C to DisplayPort adapter to plug my Rift S into. It works flawlessly using the adapter with Oculus and Steam VR. I have run lots of games and simulators on it and it does very well. It also runs video editing and CAD programs without any issues. Best laptop I have ever owned and outperforms my desktop too. It feels very sturdy, the keyboard is great, lighting is cool and customizable. You can turn it off too. The sound is also fantastic. The fans can get fairly loud in turbo mode, but it isn't that bad. Overall, a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.